Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So for today's video, and you already know it by the title, which I've already read it by now, it is gonna be a Resin Art Part 3 video. So in the previous video, I had asked you people if you want a part 3, please let me know. And I got a few requests on Instagram, in fact, and also the views to that video were really good. So I thought I'll make a part 3 as well. So for this video, the resin art which I'm gonna do is mostly jewelry. So I have made a few earrings and a few bracelets, kind of bangles, and also a few other things I'm gonna be adding in this video. So it's kind of like a compilation of all types of resin art, for example, which is jewelry, coasters, or keychains or whatever. And I will also be showing you the final products towards the end of this video. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and let's get started. brings us to the end of this video. I know this video was a really short one. I had recorded everything in time lapse because you people already know what the process of making resin art is. So I didn't want to bore all of you by making the process more longer rather than making it shorter. So yeah, these are the products which I had made with resin in this video, and I will attach the pictures in the next clip. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the resin art session of this video. To be honest, I'm already bored of making resin art videos on this channel. But if you want me to make more resin art videos, please let me know in the comments, or you can also DM me on Instagram. I will attach my Instagram link in the description below, and also I will put it somewhere here or here. I do keep making resin art, but it's just that I don't want to record it into a long format video. I might put it in shorts with some transition elements. Also, thank you for giving me so much love on my previous videos. I'm really grateful to all of you. Also, please, whoever has not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and watch my videos as frequent as possible. I think I've almost made 60 videos on this YouTube channel, and I'm really thankful and really grateful to all of you who are watching all these videos. Please let me know in the comments below what type of videos you want more. I'll also be uploading a few short videos as well, which consist of my mini daily vlogs, or just a few shorts which contain all the making process of all my artwork. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.